If you want to start using Selfie, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed Selfie into your website. So first, go to selfie.com and log into your account. If you don't have a Selfie account yet, sign up and create your store by adding products and configuring settings. So once you're in the Selfie dashboard, head over to the product section and then select the product you want to embed. This could be a digital file, subscription, or physical item. And then in this case, I'm going to choose this print on demand. And then look for the embed code option. This is usually available under the product settings or share section. And then copy the HTML embed code to your clipboard. And for HTML website, open the page or file where you want to embed your Selfie product, and then paste a copied HTML code for the appropriate section of your page HTML. And for the WordPress, if you're using Elementor, drag the HTML widget into your desired section and paste the code there. If you're using the default WordPress editor, switch to the custom HTML block and paste the code into the block. For other website builders, most website builders like Wix or Squarespace have an HTML embed tool. Drag or add a tool to your page and paste the embed code. After embedding the code, you may want to tweak its placement or size to ensure it looks great on your site. Use the tools in your website builder or CSS to adjust the design and layout as needed. Once embed code is in place, preview your website to ensure the Selfie product appears correctly. When you're satisfied, publish the changes to make your embed product live for your audience. And that's it. That's how you embed your Selfie store or products into your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.